An ancient mosquito-borne disease is spreading faster than ever before. Asia and Latin America, two parts of Europe and North America, dengue fever is reaching regions that once considered themselves safe. But why are dengue cases exploding in 2026? And could climate change be helping mosquitoes conquer the world? So, first, let us understand what is dengue fever. Dengue fever is a viral infection transmitted primarily by Aedes mosquito. Unlike malaria, dengue spreads mostly in urban environments where mosquitoes thrive in stagnant water found in buckets, flower pots, construction sites, and even discarded plastic containers. So, why is dengue increasing? The biggest driver behind dengue's expansion is climate change. Rising temperature allows mosquitoes to survive longer, reproduce faster, and spread into new territories. Also, warmer winters mean mosquito population can persist year round in places where they previously died off. The biggest driver behind dengue's expansion is climate change. As we have seen earlier, extreme weather even also plays a role. Heavy rainfall creates countless breeding sites, while flooding can overwhelm public health systems and increase human exposure. Also, rapid urbanization further fuels transmission. Crowded cities with inadequate waste management and water storage systems provide ideal conditions for mosquito breeding. Now, why the dangerous side of dengue? Most dengue infection causes flu-like symptoms, but some cases symptoms can be life-threatening. Severe dengue can lead to bleeding, shock, organ failure, and hospitalization. What makes dengue particularly challenging is that a person can be infected multiple times by different strains of the virus. In some situations, subsequent infection may increase the risk of severe disease. So, can dengue be prevented? Simple actions can make a big difference. While scientists continue to develop vaccines and improved mosquito control strategies, prevention remains our strongest defense. Simple actions can make a big difference. Eliminating stagnant water, using mosquito repellents, wearing protective clothing, and installing window screens where possible. Communities that work together to reduce mosquito breeding sites often see significant reduction in dengue transmission. So, always remember, dengue is no longer just a tropical disease. As temperature rise and mosquito habitats expand, more people around the world are becoming vulnerable. Understanding the risk and taking preventive actions today could help protect millions of people. So, if you liked my video, then please subscribe to my channel and follow for more health related tips.